We have a rich inventory of 2024 T4 aluminum sheets, covering various specifications to meet the diverse needs of our customers. We supply high-quality 2024 T4 aluminum sheets with thickness ranging from 1 to 420 millimeters. The thin sheets are brushed with a bright surface and laminated for protection. Additionally, we offer customized cutting services. 2024 aluminum alloy, rich in copper content and closely related to 2A12. Exhibits strength only second to 7 series aluminum alloys. Internationally, 2024 aluminum alloy is widely used in the manufacturing of mechanical components for aerospace equipment, semiconductor bases, sports gear, intelligent equipment, and military equipment, where high strength is a critical requirement, whether your business is related to aerospace, defense, automotive, or any other industry. Our 2024 T4 aluminum sheets will be your reliable partner. We are committed to providing customers with high-performance, high-quality aluminum materials, contributing to greater success across various industries.